Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started.
Today I'm making fish bone soup with tomatoes. So let's review the ingredients. I have fish bones here, and this is from the steamed whole fish. I have the leftovers from the green onion, cilantro. I have a yellow onion, a small knob of ginger, tomatoes, a lemon, chicken pork stock, white pepper, and seasoning salt mix. For the prep, let's start off with the yellow onion. We'll just give this a quick slice. We'll also slice the ginger. We'll cut the tomatoes. Cut them in half, and then I'm just going to do like half moon shape. They're about a quarter-inch thick. And for the cilantro and green onion, we'll just do a rough chop. And the lemon, we'll just cut in half. Okay, so all the prep is done. Let's start cooking. So I'm going to make the soup in the pan today. I have the heat set at a medium-high heat. We'll add a little bit of oil. We'll add the onion and the ginger. Stir fry this for about a minute until the onions soften up a little bit. And next we'll add the tomatoes. Give this a quick toss. And we're going to add all the fish bones. The ginger, everything. And we'll add the stock. And turn the heat up to high and let this come up to a boil. Okay, after this comes up to a rolling boil, we can turn it down to medium and can also skim off some of the oil and foam. Okay, so now just let this simmer on medium for 10 minutes. And you can also continue skimming off more foam and oil. Okay, 10 minutes has elapsed. Let's continue to remove some of the oil and foam. We'll add the onions and the cilantro. Just a quick stir. Add a little bit of seasoning salt mix. And the juice of 1 lemon. Now you can turn off the heat, give it a quick taste, and adjust the seasonings if necessary. That's good. I like it a little more acidic, so I'm going to add some more lemon juice. But always, always season anything to your personal taste. Just another quick stir. Another taste. That's delicious. Okay, so let's serve this. And here we have an appetizing bowl of fishbone soup with tomatoes. Ordinarily, you would just toss out the fish bones from the steamed fish, but this is a great way to serve the fish two ways, steamed whole and in a flavorful broth. It's a great value. The acid from the lemon juice is a great palate cleanser, and the tomatoes and onions rounds out the fish flavor. Enjoy! Okay, let's see if Shadow likes it. Ooh, yummy. She loves all the fish skin. Thank you for watching, everyone. Join me on Facebook. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.